this. Perfect. So first of all, this is still running. This is the
Yeah.
last one.
Oh,
Eh,
so it
yeah,
but-
this
oh,
is
this is the last one. Okay,
the last
32.
one. The sample 32.
So the others are done already.
The others are all done, thankfully. And
Uh, can you open the files for the other ones?
yes, I did want to
Yeah.
mention though, I had an error
Yeah.
using the GTF files that we prepared last on Monday. So
Yeah.
I used the reference genome without the SMN2 gene.
Yeah.
I saved the error I found. So let me show you.
Okay.
First of all, should I show you the error first, or do you want me to show you the results first?
The arrow first.
Okay, so I imagine it's under RSM terminal errors here. You weren't kidding when you said this was going to take a long time.
Yeah, it took a longer than I expected. I thought
Yeah,
it would took like 2 or 3 days, but
sometimes it's surprising because sometimes I left the task manager running to see how much processing power I was using, and every once in a while I would check, and sometimes I would see it's at like 0%. Uh,
oh,
here
0%. Yeah,
you
that's
see,
too
like here
low. Yeah.
the genome the genome system monitor, or I don't know. The only thing that's running is Zoom and this Xorg, and it's using very little CPU.
Oh, that's strange. Yeah,
But terminal is running,
but
which is
the terminal is running, but it doesn't. So can you press enter? It looks like it. Yeah, yeah. So now it is running.
oh, it's running.
Yeah, it wasn't running because the last line.
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't click enter in the end, I guess.
Oh, because like I copied and pasted everything, and it was supposed to run.
Yeah, yeah, because the last line wasn't a new line, so it won't execute.
Okay.
You have to
I'll stop it.
click enter once. So now it should be running.
Yeah, now it's running. Now I see it CPU at 80.
Okay,
Stop this because otherwise we won't be able to work.
okay. So that's the error message you got, right? So that's the
Here's the error message I got.
yeah. So it says maybe cannot find ID gene ID.
Yes.
So this is the customized
Yeah.
GTF.
With a customized GTF file,
Yeah.
the GTF file might be corrupted, and it has an error. It says stop at line 5 exon, and I tried to open up the two files to see if there was any difference at line 5 between these things, but it looked exactly the same, which is why I was confused.
Yeah, I think that could be uh
Let me.
stop at line 5. So if you open the GTF file, because I remember last time you were copying from the Excel file, right? And then we replace the comma with tab.
Exactly. So this is the GTF file.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm running lots of things. I think it's going to. If I do Control C, does it stop?
Yes, it will stop.
Okay, I'll stop this for now.
Okay.
Uh,
You can try the
run it
GTF
after
file.
your meeting. Um, okay, so this is the GTF file, the merged one, the new one.
Yeah, yeah. So the line number 5 is the first line, right?
Yeah, but it says it starts with Havana gene, right? Stop at line 5. Havana exon 1026.
Oh, so the first number, the chromosome number is missing. At
Chromosome
so
number.
if you go to the error code and then search for the transcript ID, the ENST 511812. Yeah, if you search this ID in the GTF file, then you should find this line.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it probably in the end of the file.
Okay. Gene ID or transcript ID?
Gene ID is fine. I think the first record you should find will be this one, will be the one in the error message.
Okay.
So this could be Control F or something.
Yeah, no, it's not letting me search because it's loading.
It's still loading. So yeah, so another way is to use a grep in the terminal.
Okay.
If you open terminal and then go to this folder and then type a grep.
So RSEM, it's on RSEM. It's CD.
In the index, I guess.
Can I do this?
No, you have to use the sign. I don't know what is it called.
This.
Just like the beginning of, it's like a shift and then the button nearby one, on the left hand side. Yeah, that's it. And then slash, yeah, and then go to index, cd space index. Yeah, and then so here you can type grep space and then pass the ID you just copied.
Okay.
You can, yeah, paste and then space and the
file.
M38 plus.
GTF like this.
Yeah, and then you should put a bar, which is the shift plus slash shift slash.
Is it this?
No, not this one. Shift. You have to press shift and then also the slash button. Oh
I have
no,
a keyboard here.
yeah, it should be above the enter key.
Above the enter key.
Oh, so maybe you have different.
Yes, it is.
Oh, so it should be
There we have
this one. Yes.
this one.
And then LESS.
Space.
You don't have to do space. It's fine.
ESS.
No, LESS.
Less. Okay.
Yes,
Perfect.
less. Yeah. Okay. Enter.
Oh.
So it will try to find this line.
Okay.
It will search all the lines with this gene, but we just need to know. Yeah, I think it could be due to the beginning of the file. Yeah, you can close this the editor. Yeah, the MGTF. No, the GTF is still loading, right? Yeah, you can cancel it because it will take a long time to do it.
Mm-hmm. It's not responding. This is
Oh, yeah, it's slow.
Is very helpful.
Yeah.
Let me.
So yeah, it will kind of slow down the terminal command as well. So you can,
I can just kill the program.
yeah, but your first file hasn't been saved. The RSM calculate expression level. Do you want to save the file before?
I didn't change it though. I don't remember what I changed.
Okay. Yeah. If you didn't change, then it's fine. Okay. Now you can see. Maybe I should request control. Will be.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it'll be easier. Let me see.
How to accept all. Give control. You should now have control.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, but I cannot move.
It's making a sound like it doesn't like it. It's working.
Yeah, I'm trying. Oh, so yeah, it is the beginning of the very first line. Yeah, I can see a chromosome name here. So there is probably nothing is wrong. So you were using the error message is at RSM, right?
Yeah, at the very bottom, terminal errors.
Yeah.
So it says stop at line 5. It would be the 5th line of the file.
No. It's not the 5th line. This is chromosome 5. If
Okay.
you go to the terminal, you will see it as a chromosome 5. The SMN is at a chromosome 5. So you see here at the beginning is 5. So every line start with 5. This is just showing the chromosome name of this record.
Okay.
And then it says it could not find the gene ID.
Mm-hmm.
So it could be, yeah, so it could be, oh, create a new file. See if the tab works. I think the tab looks good.
Yeah, I couldn't see any differences between the GTF file of the mouse and the one that we merged.
Yeah, it could be due to the end of the file. Yeah, I think here there are a lot of tabs.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are a lot of tabs in the end of
Yeah.
each line. So the file was
The M38H SMN2.
yeah, but I'm looking for the SMN2 file. The GTF file with only SMN2.
Okay.
So we didn't create a SMN2. I remember we grabbed the SMN2 from the human GTF file, right?
It might be this mouse.
Huh? Where?
Thinking this says
Oh
rev.
no, that is the index file for our SAM software.
Okay.
Yeah, and then for this one, yeah, we can actually do it again. I think just grep. Oh, but we have to fix the coordinates, right? So there should be you did it for using a Excel file.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you still have the Excel file? I think we just need to remove the additional columns in the Excel.
Let me check here under, what was it? Index, sample, data, Homo sapien.
Maybe data?
Can I sort by modified?
Maybe in the data folder, I guess, because there is no Excel file here.
Yeah.
So I guess it could be in the, oh no.
7.2 coordinate fixed.
Oh, so maybe open this one.
I open this with Excel. Yeah.
No, we should
Sorry.
open it with,
I just wanted to check.
yeah, it's okay. You can open it.
Yeah. And it has all of this.
Yeah, so you can press OK. You just open it, and then we just copy the columns we need, because I think it is too many additional columns in the end.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the, yeah, so let me see. Oh, that's why. So there are some additional columns, and in the end of some of the line, because some of the lines has fewer number of columns.
Yeah.
Yeah, can we zoom in a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is because of these additional columns. So we have to replace it. Let me see. We go to the data and then just copy this one. Make a copy and then try to modify it. So we can probably use the replace the cd command.
What does SED do?
Yeah, sed is a Linux command. Let me find the. It's a useful command. It can do a lot of things. It's a
Okay.
kind of like a text editor, but it's just using Linux command. So
Okay.
I use it mostly for replacing some simple characters. I will send you a link.
Perfect.
It
So
will
here I
show
see
you, yeah, it will show you
there's an S, then the T, and the T, and the T. The T's are the tabs, right?
yeah.
The S and the G, what do they mean?
So the S means, the first S means we are going to do replacement, and then the first slash and the second slash will cover the region, the first pattern. So it will look for the first pattern and then replace it with the second pattern. So this
Okay.
pattern, they all separated by the slash.
And is it
Uh,
tab is replaced for tab gap? Is the G a
yeah,
gap?
G means no, G means global. It means every line has to be replaced.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just
Every time there's two tabs with one tab?
yeah, every time it finds a two tab, we'll replace it with only one tab. So this is for removing the additional tabs in the end of each line. And then and I think after this, it will only has one tab in the end of the line, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, maybe I should find my.
And the VI?
VI is this editor.
Okay.
It's the same as VIM. So
Okay.
VIM is, there seems to be additional space here.
It's because the space was for the many tabs was replaced with a. Oh no, I don't know.
Yeah, the tabs become fewer, but still a lot, I think. Let me see. Yeah, it's easier to write a script, actually. Using this is not very efficient.
That's
Okay, so now in the end of the line, there is only one tab. See, remember the first line, there were like a lot of tabs, right?
Yeah, there were.
Yeah, and then
several.
now it only has one tab. And then we just need to replace the last tab with nothing. And we have to put into a $sign. This $sign means the end of the line.
Yeah.
If we replace every tab, then it will mess up everything, right? Because all
there'll be
the
no tabs left.
yeah, everything is separated by tabs. So, but we only want to remove the last tab in the end of the line. So this $sign means that this tab is at the end of the line. Okay, and
And are you giving it a different name?
yeah, I was using the temp TMP file as the first one, and then the second round of the replacement using double tab, I was changing it to the tab TMP.
Yeah, the GTF. and now we're putting it back to temp2.
Yeah, I just replaced the old files. Yeah, I just
Perfect.
used the old files to do this, so I don't have to create a lot of files.
And now,
Yeah, and then now if we go to
no
the
extra tab.
end of the, yeah, there seems to be still one more tab. I feel there seems to be still one more tab, because right now the latest version is temp2 GTF.
Mhm.
So now I'm using it and do this again for, and then replace and then rewrite to the TMP the GTF.
Yeah, you're switching between the two files.
Yeah. Just yeah. Now there's no more tab in the end. I think this
Perfect.
is the end of the. But there's, yeah, it's hard to see from the VI, but now we can combine temp GTF with the mouse GTF, right? So we can cat maybe we should make this one first, so we will get an error message fast earlier, because the order of the file after this cat command actually decide which file to go first. So if you put a temp first, then the first line will be the first line of this file.
So if there's any error, it comes up quicker.
Yeah, because I assume the rest of this file doesn't have errors, and so it will kind of show us error faster. So it doesn't have to kind of go through everything, and then in the end only a few, and then in the end you will find this one, right? So you will, yeah, and this one will be the version 2.
So cat is a command to combine the two files.
Yeah.
.gtf is the one you just modified to remove the slashes, and then the musculus is the original GTF file of the mouse, correct?
Huh? Oh, yeah. This one is the file we download from the Ensemble website. So this one contains all the genes in the mouse genome. So we are just adding additional lines from this temp GTF file. So this temp GTF file was from the
one that we just said.
From the human SMN2 we collected.
Perfect. And it says no such file in the directory.
Yeah. I didn't realize we are at the data folder. So so we have to add additional this index path for it to look for this gene annotation file.
Yeah.
So it should be done very quickly, and then we just need to move this file to the prior folder. So this sign means like 2 dots means like a prior folder. Yeah, the previous folder. Yeah. So now you, in the index folder, you will see this version 2 GTF. So now you just need to, can you find the code? Yeah, can you find the reference code and then change it to the version 2 and see if we see the same error?
Okay. So not under RSOM. It must be under reads. No, not under reads. What's left? Index.
Yeah, I don't remember where you put the comments.
It's always something difficult to think of. Where do I put?
Yeah, so I usually put all the comments in one file. So you put it somewhere. I think last time I told you to create
Together.
RSM code, right? So yeah, so this is the place. So
This
you
one.
Yeah, so you just need to change the GTF file to the new one.
I'm gonna put P10. I think I can give it up to, and then I need to change this name.
You can create a new. You can copy into a new line, so you don't mess up with the original.
I
Yeah,
like that.
yeah. Just create a new one and then just modify it. Then you can still keep the old one.
Great idea.
Yeah. And the GTF now you just change to M38. Yeah,
This
this one.
copy, paste, I2.
And then, yeah, and also in the end of the the genome file, the FASTA file has to be changed to the M38. To the M38 plus human SMN2.
This one.
Yeah,
Copy, paste
yeah, and then
the name.
yeah, you have to rename it to like a version 2 or something, so you know what the new file is.
Can I name it like this?
Yeah,
Copy, paste, F.
yeah, and then you can run it under the index folder.
Okay. Control C. Index and
Yeah,
reference.
yeah, and press enter. Oh, still,
Yeah, we come up to line 5.
yeah, I don't know if it is because of the Excel has when it copies. Let me see. Let me. I don't know if it is because of the last tab or less a space in the end. It could be a space. Let me see. Oh,
Yeah.
it's
Sorry.
already.
It's 10. Yeah. Let me just move. 10 minutes left, it says.
Yeah, we can use the second link.
Perfect. Smart thinking.
This temp2 was the temp1 the last version? I think that the temp1 was the last version. Oh, VI version is different. Oh, your VI version is older, I think. So can we just open it from here? It will be easier.
Index.
Yeah. Yeah, there is still this one. I don't know if this is tab or space. Let me see.
Can you copy that as it is? And
Yeah, because in the end of each line, let me see if yeah, only that one has issue. The other seems to be.
Is it possible that it's because the gene ID needs to be in quotation marks?
No, I think the format there's no problem with the format because we just copy from the other file, so it should be the same. I think it's just additional stuff that Excel added when you copy it, when you save it to the.
Is there a tab after gene ID?
Oh wait.
Because the error was in the GID, correct?
In here.
Yeah, there's no tab.
Yeah, I think there's no error here. Let me
There's supposed to
see
be a
if
space.
I fix this one. Because the line that got an error is the first line, right? Is it 1026? Yeah, it's the first. Oh no, it is not. It is actually this line.
Fifth one could be. Yeah, no, that's not. Third, okay.
Yeah, so it is actually this one had an issue.
And a space there.
Yeah, I typed the space, but it looks the same to me. If it is a tab, it will look like this. So if we use tab, space will look like this.
And what does enter look like? It's a new line, no?
And enter will look the same, I think. Yeah, because but if we use enter, we will see a new number here, so it should be the same. So okay, I will save save this one, and then the same code. We can just do a easy test. Yeah, but we first need to create a link to the Q files.
Okay.
So
ln.
yeah, LM means a link, and the dash S means it is a solved link. So you just create a pointer, like this is a different color, right? So this one doesn't have anything. It only point link to the original file where it was, and when you edit this file, it will just go to the other place and then find that one. So this is just like a shortcut. Like in Windows, there's a shortcut, right?
I like
So
that example. Yes.
yeah. So it's the shortcut. It's the same. Yeah. Yeah. So it's the same issue. Cannot find gene ID.
Is there a way to edit the GTF file, but not doing it with Excel, doing it by writing in terminal?
Yeah. So what I did was I wrote a script to do this, and that will be, I think that would be better, I guess. Let me see. But it looks, yeah, it looks good to me. We save. Oh, no. Save. Yeah, so it's not the end of the file has a problem. It's the gene ID, but it looks the same. Like there seems to be additional space. Yeah, it's the look the same to me. Seems to be Junelo. Yeah, I think we spend too much time on this. I should. How about I will send you this file. I think I will find my script. Let me see if I can find it really quick.
The problem here is that we're having too many spaces or characters that are not supposed to be there, correct?
Yeah, it's probably because of the Excel. When Excel saved the files, it is probably changed something in the file. And yeah, let me see if I can find my words. So your file was the SHG38.
Mm-hmm. And there's a tab and a space.
Yeah, let me. I have the SMN2 file. So let me send you the file, and then try if you can do it. Let me see this. So we can reconnect using the second link, okay?
Yeah.
Then I will. In the meantime, I will send you the file.
Okay, I'll see you in a minute.
Okay.